This tutorial will show you how to install Synology Photos app to your Synology NAS. And if you can't find the Synology Photos app, I'll show you how to access it. Remember, Synology Photos is only available on Synology branded NAS. Synology Photos is a great tool that helps organize, share, and back up your photos and videos. I personally use it to back up all my media straight from my phone. Let's begin. You could do this by going to the IP address of your NAS on your browser and logging in. Your interface may not look like this depending on the version of your Synology NAS, but the process should be the same or similar if you're on another version. Open Package Center, search for Photos in the search bar. If you see the Photos app, great, you could just install it here. But if you don't see the Photos app, like in my case, PhotoStation is not the same. You will need to update your Synology drive, which I'll show you how to. So the Photos app is only available on version DSM 7 or later for my NAS drive. If you open Control Panel, go to Update and Restore. You can see your DSM version. I'm currently on DSM 6, so I'll need to update to DSM 7. You may or may not have the option to automatically update to DSM 7 here, so I'll show you how to manually update to DSM 7. We'll need to go to the Synology Download Center page. I'll have the link in the description box below. Select your product type, NAS, and find your Synology model. You should see your model on the control panel page. I'm using a DS220J. Here we'll find the update files. So depending on what version you're currently on, you might not be able to update to the latest version directly from your current version. You may need to install a more current update, then update to the latest version. So if you scroll down to this section, it'll tell you. Select your current version, which is displayed in the control panel. Then select the version you want to upgrade to. I just need to update to DSM 7, so any of these will work. Here you'll see I need to update to 7.0.1 first before I can update to the later version of that update, which is update 6. So in my case, if I try to jump to the latest update, it'll tell me I have to update to version 7.0.1 before I can update to the latest version. So just go to this section and select your current version and which version you want to update to, and it'll give you the steps. So I'm going to download the first 7.0.1 update. Once it's finished, go back to the control panel and press Manual DSM Update. Locate the file and hit OK. Accept the conditions and it will begin. This process may take a while. Once it's done, sign into your Synology NAS. Open Package Center and search for Photos. You should see it now if you update it to a compatible version, and if not, you may need to update to a later version using the same steps as before. I'll now install it. Make sure User Home Service is checked if you want to back up your media from your phone. That's it. I hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.